Hello and welcome to Music Fundamentals. I'm Jim Stouffer. I'm delighted to have you in the class. We're going to begin this term with a little listening exercise. So I'm going to play for you an excerpt of a piece. It'll be maybe about a minute or so. And your job is to listen and just notice what you hear. So you might respond emotionally to the music, or you might respond perhaps more analytically to the music. So I'm going to play the piece for you, then I will discuss perhaps what you heard and talk about how this little piece of music relates to what we're learning in this class. So here we go. It's a piece by Schubert. Hope you like it. So if you responded more emotionally to this piece, perhaps you heard how at the beginning things seemed perhaps peaceful or serene, but as the piece moved forward, it sounded like it became a little bit more agitated, and the dynamics, the volume got a little bit louder as we went. If you were listening, however, more analytically, you probably noticed that there were at least three important things happening at any given moment. There was this beautiful melody being played by the right hand. You also heard some harmonies in the left hand, and so on. And you also heard another element, which was all of this kind of noodly stuff in the middle register. So when you put them all together, we have this wonderful, lovely texture. So this piece is a good representation of what we're going to be learning in this class. So one of the things we're going to learn is how to read notes in the treble clef and play them with our right hand at the piano. So just like that. We're also going to learn to read the bass clef and to be able to play notes with our left hand at the piano. So just like that. We're also going to learn all about key signatures and scales. Now this piece that I played for you, it happens to be in the key of G flat major, which has 6 flats, and its major scale sounds like this. And most of the notes of the piece are drawn from that scale. We're also going to learn all about chords. So if you remember that noodly inner part, all that really is just chords, triads and seventh chords. So we're going to learn about chords of various types towards the end of the term. Now, the nice thing about this class is it's great if classical music is your jam, but if not, that's totally cool, because all of these ingredients that we're learning are common to pretty much any type of music that you're listening to, that you're performing, or perhaps that you're creating. So all these building blocks, notes, rhythms, scales, key signatures, chords, they're common to so many different types of music. So maybe you're into music like this classic by Ludacris. Or maybe you're mostly into classic rock. you're into emotionally devastating Pixar tunes. So whatever your musical interests, you can take all of the ingredients and all of the knowledge that you gain in this class and apply it in any way that you want. So this is a really fun class. I hope you enjoy it. Please take the time to go through the rest of the orientation section. It'll teach you all of the basic details about this class, grading and assignments and so forth. And above all, have fun, study hard, and I will see you in all of the forthcoming tutorials.